how big a blow is this explosion to Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin, given that they've been struggling for some time to keep up against Elon Musk?
Yeah, I mean, I think this is a significant setback for them. I'd say that they've already been struggling to keep pace with SpaceX and really kind of falling behind, and so it's really kind of just teeing up things nicely for SpaceX to kind of convince investors, if they needed any convincing, that they really are kind of the untouchable leader in kind of rocket launch. And it shows you that even though we've been, sending rockets into space for decades now, that it's an incredibly difficult thing to do, and a difficult thing to do reliably, and that SpaceX has largely got that locked down, particularly with the Falcon 9. And also, SpaceX is having its own issues with Starship, but that they are making good progress there. And also, when you look at the plans for SpaceX and how important things like orbital data centers are for their kind of future growth, and the kind of scale of rocket launch capability you need to make that a reality. If anybody else is going to get close to that, then Blue Origin, perhaps along with Rocket Lab, are the two kind of leading kind of commercial competitors that might cause some competitive tension, but they're both a long way from getting close to what SpaceX already has.
Yeah, I mean, orbital data centers. I mean, a few weeks ago, this was considered just extraordinary in terms of the SpaceX valuation. And again, these very, very future-focused, lofty ideas that SpaceX has. How do you think about the valuation?
Not very easily. And I think all of Elon Musk's projects have to some degree been a kind of bit of a kind of hero concept, and that you have to kind of ignore the current numbers. You're kind of buying into this decade plus long vision of what this company could be. And if you look at kind of Tesla went from a car company to kind of a kind of autonomous vehicle company, to kind of all about the data, to now robotics. These things evolve, and it's kind of really buying into the long-term vision. I mean, if you try to anchor it in some kind of reality, Rocket Lab trades on about 100 times sales. That's roughly where this $1.82 trillion valuation for SpaceX puts it. But then if you look at Anthropic, which is hoping to IPO later this year, on a kind of annualized revenue run rate expected for this year, that's only on about 20 times forward sales. So there are lots of different valuation multiples out there. Clearly the company is pushing investors towards the kind of the highest relative valuations. So it's going to be interesting to see where investors land in terms of what they're prepared to pay.